Just got your Bartesian and not sure where to start? You're in the right place. This is the complete walkthrough, from box to first cocktail. Exactly the way the manufacturer says to set it up. No theory, no fluff, just what actually works. Step 1. Unbox and inspect. Take everything out of the box and set it on a flat, stable surface. You'll have the machine, spirit bottles, the water reservoir, the drip tray, and the power cord. Before doing anything else, wash all the removable parts in warm water. The spirit bottles, capsule holder, and drip tray are all dishwasher safe. Step 2. Fill the water reservoir. Water only. This is the most important first rule. Water only in the reservoir. Never juice, never soda, never anything else. The water lines are not designed for other liquids, and using them voids your warranty. Use filtered or bottled water for the best taste. The cocktail capsules are concentrated, and water dilutes them to the correct strength during every pour. Water quality matters more than most new owners expect. Step 3. Fill the spirit bottles and load them in. Fill each spirit bottle with the spirit shown on the dispenser lid. Screw the lids on tight, tip the bottles upside down, and snap them into the spirit holders on the base. Don't overfill. Leave a small gap at the top so the bottles seat properly. If you have a Bartesian Professional, you'll need to unlock the bottle lock lever with the included key before installing the bottles, then lock it back after. On the premium and professional models, gin and rum share the same holder, so only one of those two bottles needs to be loaded at a time. Here's what most new owners don't realize. You don't need to buy every spirit at once. The Bartesian reads a barcode on every pod and pulls only from the spirit that pod needs. So if rum isn't loaded, the machine won't ask for rum until a rum pod goes in. For most beginners, 3 bottles cover the majority of pods. Tequila for the margarita lineup. Whiskey or bourbon for the old-fashioned and whiskey sour. Vodka for Cosmos, lemon drops, and espresso martinis. Rum and gin can come later, once you know which pods you actually enjoy. Step 4. Prime the machine before your first drink. Now power the machine on and wake the touchscreen. Go to the settings menu and run the first use function. It primes the water lines, clears any manufacturing residue, and ensures your first cocktail tastes the way it should. It takes about 2 minutes and only needs to be done once at setup. Take the 2 minutes, it's worth it. Step 5. Make your first drink. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Always use a shaker. The Bartesian dispenses at room temperature. It does not chill the drink. The shaker ice is what makes the cocktail cold and properly balanced. Open the lid, drop the pod in label side up, and close it. The machine reads the barcode and shows the cocktail name on screen. Select the strength. Start with regular for any new pod. Press mix. About 30 seconds later, the machine has dispensed the cocktail into the shaker. Shake for 10 seconds, strain into a fresh glass with new ice. Never use the shaker ice in the final glass. Then garnish however the pod calls for. For a first pod, start with a margarita, a whiskey sour, or a rum breeze. They're the 3 highest rated beginner pods, and between them they cover tequila, whiskey, and rum. They give a real sense of the lineup right away. And once you get going, a Bartesian can make everything from a perfect old-fashioned to a tropical rum breeze, drinks that look like they came from a bar. That's everything needed to set up a first Bartesian. For the full written guide with photos of every step, head to thecocktailace.com. While you're there, build a free custom cocktail menu for your next party. No sign-up, no email. Just pick your pods and print. Thecocktailace.com. Real Bartesian tips, honest pod reviews, and the home of the free cocktail menu maker.